Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Taking this magnesium powder supplement before going to bed has been a complete game changer. Let me tell you why. My husband and I have been taking this supplement powder from Natural Vitality Calm. This is great for muscle relaxation and stress relief. This is super easy to prepare as well. You just put in a cup 3 to 4 ounces of water, you stir it very well, and that is it. You're gonna see that the container comes with the measuring spoon, which is a teaspoon. The powder is very fine, so it's perfect to stir in water without using anything else. I chose this raspberry lemon flavor, which is delicious. Truly appreciate that not only is it good for your body, but it also doesn't have any artificial sugar or any artificial colors. It's just sweetened with stevia and it is delicious. Being magnesium deficient can come with so many negative symptoms that you can totally avoid. I highly recommend this magnesium supplement powder, but that's just my point of view.